Vibrant flowers line a brick walkway leading to a black couch on the porch. A black archway and wall lamps frame the entrance, creating a stylish and inviting atmosphere. Warm lighting glows from a dark gray house onto a raised wooden deck. A white couch sits among flowering shrubs, while a stone path connects the home to this serene space. Stone steps lead past a multi-spout fountain toward a large gray couch. This beautifully landscaped backyard is filled with shrubs and trees for a truly peaceful escape. Blue and patterned pillows accent a white couch on the stone porch. A wooden door and hanging flower baskets complete the look of this picturesque, sun-drenched home. Purple flowers climb a metal archway near a brick path and a white house. A terracotta patio features a white couch with blue pillows, all set under a bright, airy sky. Stone steps descend to a pond where a waterfall flows near a dark-colored couch. White and purple blooms surround the patio, set against the backdrop of a modern house. Yellow and gray pillows add color to a sectional sofa on this modern wooden deck. Surrounded by a lush garden and a wooden fence, the space feels bright and contemporary. Two purple chairs sit at a round table prepared with snacks and drinks. A black metal fence separates this stone paver patio from the adjacent red brick building wall. Outdoor lamps light up a tan house and its red brick walkway. Flanked by gravel and flowering shrubs, the black front door serves as a bold, sophisticated centerpiece. Blue pillows decorate a white couch on a tiled patio near a white house. A metal archway frames the wooden door, while vibrant garden beds create a very serene setting. Light beige walls surround a black front door flanked by two glowing wall lamps. A red brick walkway, bordered by small stones and plants, leads straight to the entrance. Stone walls and white planters filled with lemons define this sunny garden nook. A wooden bench and stone table sit nearby, with a path leading further into the flowers. Ripe yellow lemons stand out against green foliage in large white planters. Positioned on a wooden deck, these trees overlook a garden filled with pink flowers and shrubs. Colorful blooms and various shrubs line a wooden staircase leading to the home. Large windows and exterior lights make this well-maintained entrance feel very welcoming. A gray sectional sofa and coffee table turn this wooden deck into a living room. Surrounded by lush trees and a wooden fence, the backyard feels private and high-end.